Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a s'more surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our s'more surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to fold my paper in half one more time, line up the corners, and give it another nice fold. That way it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And always turn your paper this way so you can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to begin with our s'more, let's start right here at the top. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm just going to draw a line that comes right across the top like this. Now, I'm going to make the chocolate coming down here. So I'm just going to begin by making a wavy line with just some different size little bumps all along here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down to the fold. And then same thing here, just a line that comes down. Then I'm going to jump over the fold, and I'm going to continue this line down on each side. Next, I'm going to curve this line in, and I'm going to bring it all the way over to here, and then I just want to curve it to connect it. So instead of making like pointy corners like a square, we made them kind of rounded. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come off to the side. And then same thing here, just a little line off to the side. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes up on each side. Next, I'm going to draw this line all the way across here and connect it. Next, I'm going to draw a line right to here. And then I'm going to make a little line off to the side here. Next, I'm going to make this line come down on each side, and that'll be part of our graham cracker. Then we're just going to connect this line right here. Now, let's draw the face on our s'more. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Inside of here, I'm going to make a circle, and then I'm going to color in most of this, but I'll leave just a little bit white for a reflection. And then let's do the same thing here. So we're going to draw a circle for the pupil, and then color in most of it, leaving just a little bit of white for that reflection. Then starting here, let's just go ahead and make a nice little smile for our s'more. Now our next step is going to be opening this up, and we're going to draw the fun surprise on the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our s'more. We have the top and the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and I'll bring this line down a little bit. Then I want to bring this line up, and I'll bring this line up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. It's going to come down, and then we're going to come back up and down like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve it right up to here. Now, I want to give our s'more some teeth. So I'm just going to keep it kind of simple, and I'm just going to make some little smiley faces for the teeth. So we're just going to make some little smiley faces right across here. And then let's make some little smiley faces right across the bottom. Now the next step is let's add a tongue. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down. And then right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to come up and then down. Then right here, let's curve a line that's going to come up and down. But you can see it's really close together here and a lot farther apart over here. Now, I want it to look like there is chocolate on the tongue. So I'm going to make a little wavy line to connect this. And then I'm going to make kind of like a wavy line all around here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down to here. And I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down for our marshmallow. And then I'm going to bring this line down here for our marshmallow. And there you go, there is your drawing of a fun s'more surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've just got a cute looking little s'more, and then when we open it, you see his mouth is wide open, he's got a bunch of chocolate on his tongue. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.